Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to fix it when your iPhone screen turns black and white. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Again, scroll down and find out Color Filters. Tap Color Filters. Right now, color filters turned on and grayscale selected. Simply turn off color filters. Immediately you will see the colorful pencils on the screen. Go back to settings and close Settings app. Black and white disabled. So these are the steps to fix it when your iPhone screen turns black and white. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.